This washing machine filter from WaterScience. The model number is IRIS WMF-621. So it is for the front load washing machine. It has 60 days warranty, and it has given instructions like advertisement about what and all the things it does. These are the things. It costed me around 800 something, I guess. I have to check Amazon. I have ordered it from Amazon. The MRP is 845 and unit selling price is also 845, but I will check and mention it in below. Okay, let's unbox it. So I already opened the sticker. Just a second. So here it is. It's just have a cap here for this. This is the actual filter, washing machine filter, IRIS WMF-621. You can see the branding is there. Here, if you look closer, inside there is a white or maybe a sponge-like material or something like that, and there are small balls inside it on the both sides. I use those to the filtering. Let's fit it on our washing machine and check. I forgot to mention there is one more thing inside the box. If you lift this lid, you have some diamond generic branded. I think this is for wrapping around this one, usually used by plumbers for fitting taps. So this is how it fits. As you can see, the one with female side is connected to the washing machine, and you can also see the direction as washing machine connection. I have firmly tightened it. We need to rotate it to the right, which is clockwise. And then what to do is, I'll just apply a few rounds of Teflon tape, which is given in the box also. So Teflon tape is to avoid leaking. I have not used the Teflon tape on the other side, which is the washing machine side. I'm just using it in this side. Like there are not any instructions for this also. After using some Teflon tape, you just need to tighten it firmly. This is also same in the clockwise rotation, so it actually fits firmly. I will get to know when it's tight. You don't hear any sound, but you will feel it. Too much tightening might get over tightened, so still this is fine. Even we also have the Teflon, so there won't be any leaks. It's time to turn on the tap. I have to turn it off to just tighten it. Let me turn it on once. So I will turn the water on. You can see the water bubbles appeared just now inside. And there won't be any leak also. I have completely tightened this also. Yeah, that's it. I don't have any clothes to wash right now. I will just do it later when there is some, and will mention the result in the comments. In future days, I will also mention the result of this. Does it really works or is it a gimmick? Yeah. Thank you. Some people might have doubts regarding the size of this, so I'm just keeping my hands. You can see it's taking about 4 fingers gap, which is usually fine. Like, people have concern regarding the space between the wall at the washing machine. So the reason I'm buying this is also the same thing. The IFB official, this filter takes more space compared to this is like a one fourth of it. IFBs almost take half of heat. So